Hi and welcome. It's the 20th of January 2013. It's the first of three short videos I'm going to put up today. This one's covering a couple of Forex charts, just with some key levels I wanted to point out. I'm sure keen followers of Forex will already have these levels noted on their charts, but just in case, I'll run through some of the levels that I'm looking at. Here we've got the Aussie dollar. We can see it's noted as 10,600 on this chart because it's a spread betting chart rather than a CFD or anything, so I've got no decimal places in it, but it'll correlate to any chart on the currency. It's a daily chart. You see that we've tested this level 3 times in the last 6 months, maybe even 4. Rejected it each time, and in the last few days we've had some weakness, but we continue with since October with higher lows, which leads me to believe that sooner or later this level will go. Whether I actually want to wait for it to break and then enter, or if we see some strength next week, maybe I'll take a speculative punt that if we turn here that it's going to break on the next go, and if we do, I would have thought the obvious target would be to take out the old high back from early 2012. Fundamentally, I don't really see any reason why it wouldn't take it out. Aussie's quite a strong currency. China data's been pretty good recently, or at least better, arresting sort of downtrends, so I see no reason why not, although I think the Aussie unemployment level was a little bit of a shock in recent times, so but fundamentally I think there's a good case for this to go. I think the Aussie's stronger than the dollar. It's just something I'm looking at. I've flicked to my second chart for this morning. We've got cable here, sterling versus the dollar. You can see it's been really sick in the last few days, and again we've got quite a nice range here. At the top we've got 16,300, which has been tested 3 times and rejected every single time, and we've got old resistance, tested as support once here at 15,750, which it looks like an obvious target. Now I'm not in cable at the moment, and I'm not going to enter here targeting just 15,750. What I'd like to see is some sort of correction in this sell-off, maybe a retest of 1600, or previous support from early Jan, and that would be my entry point if the price action supports it, to try and target a test of this lower band here, which may in fact break. I mean, it looks pretty sick, but who knows what fundamentals will follow behind that, and what news flows will follow behind that to drive it through the lower band. But I'm certainly not going to be trying to catch it here. If we head straight down, I think I'll just have to sit on the sidelines and watch it go. So that's a very quick round up some of the levels I'm looking at. I don't want to post a long video reviewing all the levels of all the major pairs, just some of the ones that I'm interested in, and give you an indication of how I trade. I'll move on in my next couple of videos to review some UK based stocks and a couple of commodity charts. Hopefully next week I'll do a further review of some Forex for the blog.